Have you ever wondered how scientists make this from this? We sat down with a team of researchers to figure out how this works and why they're doing it. This team has cracked the code of making plastic truly sustainable.
The material that we're using as the ink for the printer is the same liquid that we showed you in the test tubes. Once it gets to the thickness, the viscosity that we need, we load it into these little barrels and we put it into the printer.
By using this process, you can melt down a broken piece of plastic and remake it without any new material. But why would we need this? Researcher Pranav Krishnan offers us a real-life example. He says most wind turbine blades today are reaching the end of their life cycle. These blades can be larger than 50 meters long. When these blades break, our only solution is to toss them in the landfill. But with this process, you can deconstruct the blade and reprint them, good as new.
Deconstruct them once they reach the end of their life cycle, put it back, build a whole new wind turbine blade, and your sustainable energy is now actually sustainable.